Hi, I am Kunal Chaturvedi, a student of the IIT Madras BS degree in Data Science and Applications program in the new postgraduate diploma level. And along with that, I am a co-founder of MedPrax Biotechnologies, a medical tech company which focuses on solving real healthcare problems through software, hardware, and consulting. I am currently based in Nagpur, Maharashtra, and actively engaged in both tech and the academic ecosystems. So I joined because I was seeking a rigorous, a flexible, and a prestigious academic environment where I could continue building the products and tech that I was already doing, while strengthening my foundations in data science and programming. This program felt like a natural way to bridge what I was already doing with my practical experience in product and tech with the academic depth that IITM BS was able to provide me. It was important for me to be a part of this whole vibrant community that could help me foster innovation as well as leadership. So I was looking for that, and this degree offered exactly that. Like when I came into it and saw the structure, the academics of it, and I realized that it is very beautifully structured in the sense that while coming into IITMBS, I looked at the academic rigor, the structure, the different entry and exit points, and I realized that it balances academic challenge, the rigor, with flexibility, while allowing students like myself to design their own learning paths while maintaining the highest IIT standards that are possible. So in that, when we started from foundation level since the very first batch, while I was there in 2021. So we started off with very basic foundational math, statistics, and later then on to diploma with advanced machine learning concepts and everything, and then to the degree level where we saw deep learning and all latest technologies, even large language models, and so much more. The program constantly pushed me to expand both my conceptual and practical understanding, which helped me a lot personally. The program actually, in that sense, demanded a lot of discipline and rigor to go through, because it's definitely not easy to do so. Yet it gave me enough room to still work on building the startups that I was doing, and pursuing parallel ambitions as much as I could. So to navigate through this, due to the structure of the program and the way that I was motivated to go through it, I had started out with taking up 4 courses every term, which turned out to be a bit heavy. But nonetheless, I also pushed myself even more and picked up some other positions of responsibilities which were there in the house on the non-academic side of it, in houses or our student run clubs and societies at the same time. And it pushed me even more to do better both academically and non-academically. These student governance bodies, or building own or founding our own business analytics club called business.io at IITMBS, and other several initiatives, I could handle, it gave me the opportunity to handle cross functional projects really well, and I could work with several people at once, which again pushed me into managing my time across multiple domains, and gave me an opportunity to lead by example wherever I could. So that was a really big positive for me in that sense. Actually, to be honest, the let alone thriving in this space that I tried to do, I came in with a curiosity and commitment, and this vibrant academic culture, along with peer learning and mentorship and all, it far exceeded my expectations, and along with that, I was fortunate enough to serve as a teaching assistant in some places, and even engage in faculty led consulting projects, which helped give myself a lot of industry exposure, actually understand how companies work, and at a sort of a consulting level. And that was a really enriching experience for me, actually. Favorite subjects in the degree have been design thinking, data visualization design, privacy and security in online social media, and modern application development, since that really helped me like learn a lot of things personally. And due to my interests, and definitely the faculty interaction that came with it. And along with it, on the non-academic side, one of my favorite moments were visiting the IITM campus for Paradox, where I organized events, especially my first one, which was a investment-based event last year. So it was really enriching, and a really enjoyable time I had overall. And in all of that, the best part was meeting my long time friends that I had connected over any medium before that. Start with intent, stay consistent, plan your academics really well, and lean into the community wherever you can. There are great people who can either help you, and whenever you get the chance, do try to help others as well. So like your peers, instructors, and the student clubs that are there, they are a very enriching experience. It creates a very good ecosystem. And don't be afraid to take initiative or to make mistakes, and rather learn by doing. I've seen firsthand how ideas, whether like a student help portal that I had built when I was starting out, really early in the program, called the Open Notes, where I got an opportunity to help students by building software. That was really a good experience for me.